Video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image banner to your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to enhance the look and feel of your online business in 2025. A well-designed banner can instantly grab attention, highlight promotions, or showcase key product ranges. So let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store. This will take you into the section where you can manage all the visual aspects of your store. From here, head to the Themes area. Your theme controls the overall layout and style of your store. Find your active theme at the top and click the Customize button. This opens up Shopify's theme editor, where you can start making changes. Now, in the customization screen, look at the sidebar and click Add section. This is where you can add different features to your storefront. From the list of options, select Image or Image with Text. Once you've added it, you'll see the Image section appear in your layout. Click directly on it to open its settings. Here you'll find an option to select an image. Click Select Image, and you'll be able to either upload a new image or choose one from your library. Pick the image you'd like to showcase, then click Done to confirm. The final step is simple. Head to the top right corner and click Save. And just like that, your image banner is now live on your Shopify store. Remember, banners can be swapped or adjusted anytime. Experiment with different images, styles, and layouts until you find what best represents your brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create a more engaging online store experience.